This is the Elgato Wave 3, Elgato's first entry into the microphone world for streaming and gaming. With a price tag of $160, it puts this microphone up there with the best of them. So the real question is it any good? What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to yet another video. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. Here we have the Elgato Wave 3, and today we're going to do a full review on this microphone, and we're going to compare it to the HyperX Quadcast, the Razer Seiren X, and the RODE NT1 studio microphone. I feel like we've tested out pretty much every other streaming and gaming microphone that's out there, and I feel like personally the HyperX Quadcast, the Razer Seiren X, and the RODE NT1 are the best for the price, and that's why I picked those three to compare to the Elgato Wave 3. Ever since CES at the beginning of the year, we all knew that Elgato was cooking up something special to add to their streaming lineup. We knew it was going to be a microphone, we just didn't know how good that microphone was going to be and what they were planning. You get a nice satin matte black finish and a sleek design to go with this microphone as it sits comfortably on your desk with its large non-slip pad on the bottom. It's weighted nicely with a circular base and connected seamlessly through its USB Type-C port, which you guys already know is my favorite. Along with the 6.5-foot USB Type-C cable, you also get an adapter to attach this microphone to a boom arm with little effort whatsoever. On the front, you'll find your multi-function gain knob that when pressed allows you to switch between headphone volume and your microphone and PC audio mix, which are all indicated through the LEDs on the front of this microphone in your traditional left to right pattern. On the back, you get your 3.5mm headphone jack and the input for the USB Type-C. You get a metal grill with this microphone, and the rest is plastic, which, in all honesty, doesn't feel cheap whatsoever. Its 1.3 pound weight also makes this microphone great for traveling. Now, one of my favorite features of this microphone is you get the same tap to mute button like you get with the HyperX Quadcast. So you just gently tap the top of the microphone and you can mute and unmute, which makes it super convenient for you guys that are streaming and gaming out there. It's indicated by the red ring light that you get around the volume knob. Like the Razer Seiren X, this microphone only has the cardioid pickup pattern, which if you're streaming and gaming is all you'll ever need. If you do need those other pickup patterns, I would suggest picking up the HyperX Quadcast over the Blue Yeti. Full review for that microphone will be down below in the description for you guys. You can go ahead and purchase the external pop filter for $40 and the shock mount for $30 on Elgato's website to fully furnish the Wave 3 if you feel it's necessary when using this microphone for streaming and gaming. Another super cool feature of this microphone is, say you're streaming Call of Duty Warzone and you start raging and screaming at the top of your lungs, this microphone has built-in clip guard technology, which limits the volume that comes into this microphone to 115 decibels. So you don't have to worry about blowing out anyone's eardrums when they're watching your stream. If it's anything over 115 decibels, the microphone eliminates that louder noise before sending those sound waves to your computer and then to your viewers, so they get to enjoy the rest of your stream without their eardrums bleeding. This microphone does also come with an internal pop filter, which will help you with any pops or clicks in your audio. Getting into the good stuff, you have your Wavelink software, which is super easy to use and set up. It gives you the ability to control up to 8 other audio inputs and interfaces your computer is already using, while also giving you even more control of the mic gain, microphone PC mix, and the headphone volume. Another super dope feature of this microphone with that software is it lets you control the volume in other web browsers and other microphones that are currently connected to your PC. What this ends up doing is, while working together with OBS while streaming or recording, whether you're using Audacity or OBS, the master mixer lets you create 2 different separate audio mixes. So why is that important? Well, say you're streaming and the setup you have with your audio may be perfect for you, but really loud and annoying for your audience. You can now keep your audio levels for yourself while separately adjusting the audio for your audience so everyone is happy. Something we've always looked for in a gaming microphone with the software to support it. Another perfect example would be, say you're streaming Call of Duty Warzone and the music volume is just right for the stream. However, for you personally, that music volume is a bit too loud and it overshadows and overcasts those footsteps to where you can't hear them at all. You can go ahead in the sub gain and lower the music volume just for yourself while keeping the music volume the same for the stream, so now you can go ahead and listen to those footsteps while you're gaming. I feel like aside from the multiple pickup patterns, Elgato took everything I've loved from every microphone that I've ever tested and put it into the Elgato Wave 3 and then just destroyed the game with this software. And then there was the crisp, clean audio that I got with the Elgato Wave 3 right out of the box, which compared to almost the RODE NTG5, which is a $500 studio microphone. Currently, we're talking to you guys on the RODE NT1 microphone. Let's go ahead and switch over to the Elgato Wave 3 so you guys can go ahead and listen to what that microphone sounds like in comparison to the RODE NT1. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Elgato Wave 3. If you guys are new to the channel, please make sure you guys subscribe, and only if you guys end up liking this video, please make sure you guys go ahead and destroy that like button for me. Now let's go ahead and give you guys a microphone quality test between the Elgato Wave 3, the Razer Seiren X, and the HyperX Quadcast. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Razer Seiren X microphone. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Elgato Wave 3. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the HyperX Quadcast. Once again, this is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Razer Seiren X. Once again, this is what the microphone quality sounds like with the Elgato Wave 3. And this is what the microphone quality sounds like on the HyperX Quadcast microphone. The reason I didn't compare the Blue Yeti microphone is because the Blue Yeti we've tested out so many times on the channel with other previous microphones, and I feel like the HyperX Quadcast sounds better than the Blue Yeti and is a bit cheaper. So that's why we're not reviewing that microphone, just to give you guys a heads up in case you guys were wondering. Now, one more thing we're gonna test up here in the game room is the keyboard clicks when this microphone is right next to your keyboard, which it is obviously gonna pick up keyboard clicks, but let's go ahead and test it out for you guys anyway. Yeah, the microphone is definitely picking up the keyboard clicks. Let's move it a little bit. Let's move it closer to me. Let's try it this way. Now, because this microphone has that cardioid pickup pattern, it shouldn't pick up the microphone clicks as much as when it's on the side. Obviously, now if you guys do put this microphone on a boom arm, which I plan on doing, it will not pick up the keyboard clicks any worse than any other microphone that's out there. As soon as you set that noise gate and suppression in OBS, you guys will be completely fine with this microphone. So if you do plan on using a boom arm with it, it will be just right for you guys when you're streaming, using it in Discord, whatever it is. So that's what the keyboard clicks sound like with this microphone. Like I said, make sure you guys set that noise gate and suppression and put this microphone on a boom arm. If you guys can't, find a better spot for it, but that's what it sounds like when you compare the keyboard clicks with this microphone right next to it. Overall, I really like this microphone. I will be switching between this microphone and the RODE NT1 for the next couple of weeks to see which one I like better. Either way, I feel like this microphone is definitely worth its $160 price tag and was definitely built with us streamers and gamers in mind. Like I did mention earlier, if you guys do need multiple pickup patterns, I would definitely recommend you guys go ahead and pick up the HyperX Quadcast over the Elgato Wave 3. For those of you that did make it this far into the video, thank you guys so much for watching. I did promise you guys another giveaway, and here it is. We will be giving away the Razer Seiren X. Like the Logitech G Pro X giveaway last week, all you have to do is be subscribed, like this video, follow me on Twitch and my socials, and just send me a picture of your comment on this video to either my Instagram and my Twitter DM. I wanted to do this giveaway not just for hitting 5,000 subscribers like we did with the headset, but also to reward you guys for watching my videos all the way through. It really means a lot to me. It really does help out the channel when you guys go ahead and like and watch the video all the way through because of the engagement for the YouTube algorithm. That's what YouTube looks for, and that's what we as creators need to look for when we're trying to grow our channel. I also wanted to do the giveaway without mentioning it in the title or the description to see how it would actually turn out, and I didn't want to actually reward you guys for watching the video all the way through, and I think this is how I'm gonna do the giveaways going forward. So we're gonna see what happens. We're not gonna mention them. We're just gonna give it to people that are actually supporting the channel and watching my videos all the way through, instead of someone who just came by the channel or saw it in the title, dropped their comment, follow me on my socials, and then just ends up winning the product that haven't been here for a long time. You guys know what I'm talking about. I wanted to try it this way, so let's see what happens. If you guys would like to go ahead and purchase any one of these microphones and support the channel at the same time with no extra cost to you guys, I will leave Amazon affiliate links linked down below in the description for you guys. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever it is, make sure you guys go ahead and drop them down below in the comment section for me. If you guys did end up liking this video, please make sure you guys go ahead and destroy that like button for me. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
They're at the house right next to where I died. Look at this.
Got two. Get a better range.
There's two of them.
I got one of them. I got one of them.
Approach me at the house right here. He's right there in front of you. Right.
I got the other one. I got the other one.
Right in front of you.
Yeah, I killed all of them. Where am I?
There's
Car
a
comes
car
towards me.
coming
Car
up.
comes towards me. Oh, let's go. Oh, a team right here. Team right here.
Up on top of it. People behind us too. Don't stop, there's a squad behind us.
I got him in here. I got him.
Come on, dog.
Got one more.
Apparently I'm just doing bad terrible with this guy. He's gonna come up top here and kill me.